Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this Jeep Compass High Altitude in Granite Crystal Pearl. With halogen headlamps, premium fog lamps, power heated mirrors with manual foldaway, 17-inch granite painted pocket wheels, bright exhaust tip, deep tint sunscreen glass, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 6.5-inch touchscreen display, 40 gigabyte hard drive, electronic stability control, power sunroof, liftgate door with fixed glass, electronic roll mitigation, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5402.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.